Welcome to our guide on how to delete a conversation on Twitter using your PC. Keeping your messages organized is key to a streamlined social media experience. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open Twitter on your PC by visiting the website or logging into your account. On the left side of the page, locate and click on the Messages tab to access your direct messages. Scroll through your conversations and select the specific conversation that you want to delete. Once you've chosen the conversation, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the info icon within the conversation window. A pop-up window will appear with various options. Find and tap on Delete Conversation, located at the bottom of the window. To finalize the deletion, confirm the action by tapping on the Delete button. This will permanently remove the conversation from your Twitter account. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your conversations on Twitter and maintain a clutter-free inbox on your PC. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. We hope this guide has been informative and assists you in efficiently deleting conversations on Twitter from your PC. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks.